Hello friends, and I'm recording now this video in which I will break down this setup. The pair is Euro AUD, and this is a before video. Before means that this is when I'm telling you what's going to happen, and then I will record the next part of the video, which will be after video when the take profit will be hit. Okay. So before anything, let's check the date and time right now when I'm doing this analysis. If I refresh, it shows 10:46 p.m. Tuesday night, 14 April 2026 time in EST. Okay. So 14 April, this is the time in EST. Coming back to my chart. Now, this is the daily time frame in Euro IUD. Okay. Let's check weekly. So weekly, I think we took a pullback, or this, it doesn't matter. This could be the start of a new uptrend as well. And this is a pullback, or this might be continuation of the downtrend. Okay. But our trade is going to be short. Okay. Because we have been rejecting the EMA twice now, here and then here as well. I am going for short. So even if this is an uptrend, but this is a pullback. Okay. So overall overall the trade is short, and this black line is my take profit around 6376. Okay, coming back to 4 hour, let's check. In 4 hour, we have been rejecting the EMA clearly, and I'm expecting the price to touch my black line, which is at 6376. Okay. So in this one, I guess you will get around, if you enter now at 6532, you can make maybe 160 pips, so that I will come back and tell you what happens with this trade in next few days. Okay, see you again. All right, guys, so we are back, and we have closed the trade with some profits, and we have to improvise every now and then, but I'll tell you what's happening here. So we entered the trade, I guess, somewhere here, around 6550. Yes. And let's check the date and the time first. So come here, refresh it, and now it's 3:50 a.m. 21st of April, Tuesday. Okay. And we got into this trade early on 15th of April. So it's been 6 days, you could say. This is the 6th day, or 7 days in between. You had two week off, so 5 days. Okay, 5 working days, and we have booked a profit here, right here, around 6430. Okay, so you will see the screenshot on my Telegram as well. Make sure you find all the links below the video, and you can join my Telegram. Okay, so we entered somewhere here around 6550, and let me open the calculator. Kelsey. So I entered at 6550, and I am out at 6430. Okay, so we made 120 pips in this trade. Okay, so yes, in the beginning I told you it will go further down, but we have to keep an eye on the trade and exit whenever we think we are going in the reverse direction. Okay, that's called improvisation. Anyways, 120 pips, not bad in 5 working days. Okay, that's it. If you want to join, then go and join the program, and you will get these kind of trades every now and then, but you will not get them every day. These are quality trades, and they don't happen every day. So if you are looking for trading every day, I can't help you. If you want quality setups, then go and join the mentorship program. You will find the link maybe somewhere. Okay, maybe below the video. So I'll see you next time.